Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bowling Green, Crestner, Memphis Junction, South Victor, Franklin, Auburn, Danville, Woodburn, Three Forks, and Hardcastle. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Okay, that came out of nowhere.
Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, southern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, northern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee, until 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:55 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hendersonville, or 9 miles southwest of Gallatin, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Location: Hendersonville, Mount Juliet, Goodlettsville, Lakewood, Old Hickory, Hermitage, Green Hill, Bledsoe Creek State Park, and Dickerson Chapel Recreation Area. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.